Today we will see some tips and trick about this PowerMill 2020. So these tips will work for any version of PowerMill. So in first case, sometime we close this Explorer, so where we can switch on this, so we can on this Explorer with the help of this view and go to this user interface, and here is the Explorer. So you can on off with the help of this Explorer. This Explorer will show and hide with this. You can see here we have one toolbar. This is status toolbar. So click here, and if you want to hide this status, so status bar will hide from this. If you are using any macro and other things, so we need this command window. So command window is here if you want to show this, and if you want to hide, click here, it will hide. Click here, and here is the view toolbar. So view toolbar is this one. If you don't want, you can hide it, and if you want to show it, click here and this will come back. Okay, and here is the screenshot. If you want the screenshot of this, so we can use this screenshot and save the screenshot, right? So this will create one screenshot. Okay, now this is the dynamic sectioning. Dynamic section will show you the section of this part, so we can use this, right? And click here and drag and see, we will get this section from the front plane. The same way from back view, you can also cut it from back. Okay, hide and hide. Okay, and reset, this will come. Now if you want to see the edges, so click this and see, now we will get the outer edge of this section. Okay, but it is working from the corner. I want this section from the X, Y or Z, so we can use this X. Now if you will use this from X direction, you can cut it, you can see the section of this part. Okay, this is the section. Now drag, see. In the same way, we can use Y direction and select this back. Okay, and one more thing, translucency, switch on this and see, it will show you the cut as well as rest portion will be transparent. Okay, click here, so both will come. Right click, reset and close. So this is for dynamic sectioning. And see, here we have this transform option. Click here, and if you don't want this icon, this is a transform, you can hide it. And blank and unblank, we have some shortcut to blank or unblank. Blank is for hide or unblank is for show. So I want to select this curve, so hide this and just show this, and I'm clicking this, right, this face, and rotate it, and this face, use shift, and both faces are now selected. If you will click display, so both face will display. Now I want to hide it, so you can use this blank selected, so selected area will blank. The shortcut key for blank is Control J, right, and for unblank we can use Control L. So use Shift J and Control J and Control K, right? And we have one more option, Control plus Y to toggle. So toggle means whatever the visible, that will hide and hidden portion will show you, right? And blank expected, so expect this, you can use this. Okay, so we have three options: unblank all, hide this curve, and here we have this option crosshair. So if you need this crosshair cursor with the mouse, you can use this, otherwise no problem, just leave it. Okay, so if in this model, if you want to check the radius, or I want to calculate or detect the smaller radius in this part, so we can use this measure. But here we have one problem, you have to check every place. This is 16 radius, and if you will go, it is 8, and same. In this way we will take a lot of time, so we cannot use this every time. So if you want to detect the smaller radius, so click this and minimum radius shade. So minimum shading will come, right? So this is the minimum radius area. For this, come to this view, and here we have this option. Click here, and here you can see the minimum tool radius is 20. So the radius which is less than 20, it will highlight with the red color. Now I'm going to change it to 10, and see only the radius which are less than 10, it will highlight. Okay, and the same way 9, 8, right? So very few radiuses are there which are 8 or less than 8, right? In this way you can reduce 7. Now you can see we don't have any radius, only this is 2 radius. Okay, so with the help of this model drawing option, you can change it. If you want to change the color of this model, so we have this shaded view, you can use this, and if you want to change any color, just click add and OK, and the color will change. But it is not showing just because of plane shade, right? If you will click this plane, the color will come, right? If you want to change the background is this, so we have one option. In options, go to color customize, and here we have this view background. Now the top color is this and the bottom color is this black. Now I want to change it, and I want this color this. Okay, and see. Okay, and again add it. If you want to add any other color, so again we have a little bit darker, add. Okay, and this color will come. Okay, if you don't want this, you just want the default setting, so restore all. Okay, all thing will restore, background, all color, all customized color will restore if you will click this. Okay, now okay, model, again we have this model option here. Click here, shading, and add it. What color you want, just select, add. Okay, and see. Okay, so we can change this color of the model with color customization. Okay, now again come to this, and from customization we have this application option. From application option we can change the unit of our project. Here we have the unit system. Click here. Now it is working with millimeter. Now if you want the metric, so you can switch it, but before it you have to close this project, then only it is possible to switch with another unit. Okay, and one more thing, status bar. See, here we have so many options on the status bar. If you want to hide any option, you can deselect it. Okay, if you will uncheck it, it will remove from the status bar. Okay, and if you will go to any tool, it will show you a small tool tip. If you don't want this tip, so again you can go to application option and tool tip, and click here, show tool tips, right? So this tool tip will come after delay time. Okay, again come to this option, and here option we have this customized toolpath, right? Here in customized toolpath we can define our own path for CNC output, where you want the NC program, so you can change it. Or if you want to define this dialog box button 1 or button 2, which is the button 1 or button 2, see here document example and user path 1, user path 2. So we can add our own path for user path 1 and user path 2 with the help of this customize path. Okay, file dialog button 1, this is the toolpath D, and for second button E, in E drive it is a PowerMill, right? In the same way, just click here and browse, you can select your own. Okay, now cancel it. For any toolpath, if you want to check the time, so click on statistics. Here we have rapid For rapid, the length is this and the time is 70 seconds. For plunging, it is taking 1 minute and other. So it will show you the time and the length of the non-cutting move or cutting move, right? It is a cutting move. See, the total length is this and 1 hour, 7 minute and 18 second. And the total 718 is the lift, number of lift and the total time it will take. If you want to check with any other, so click here and see. For other operation, see. For any other operation, select 3. Okay, so in this way we can check the total time for any operation. Okay, so these are some tips and trick. Hope this will be useful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.